little bit overwhelming to have to run from one point to another point to another point and see all the damage that happened and not understand how can one single explosion destroy the dreams of so many people, among them us.
For us, August 4th was a new beginning. The hotel was destroyed. All Jumaisi Street was also very badly hit. A lot of people were wounded. A lot of people died around here. We picked up the pieces the next day. We're in the heart of Jumaisi, right down the stairs of Marmoula stairs, which is the artist stairs, what we call them, in the middle of a very happening street. We opened the hotel in July 2019. Things went very well, and from here on, we had all our ups and downs.
So unfortunately, the guest house was very damaged. Everything blew up. We luckily got out of it safe, but we needed some support system. We needed people around us to stand again on our feet, and we were very lucky to have a big community around us who was ready to help and to support.
We had some average expectations on the reopening of Beit Cafe, but we never imagined that we will run out of chairs, plates, cups. Beit is today a cafe. We want people to gather back again and be together again, especially after all what our city has survived.
We were overwhelmed. I personally couldn't believe that it's back where it was. But eventually, I think people coming in brought with them a lot of very positive energy to the place, and it helped us. We feel that we are reborn again, and this house as well. We are very lucky that we are here, alive, and that the space is welcoming people more and more.